Okay, in this next video we'll continue with problem number 34, where we're trying to find the equation of the line that passes through 2 points. So when we're given 2 points and we're trying to find the equation of the line, we always begin with finding the slope, which I already did there. It came out to be -1/2. And then I use the point slope form, which is y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1. And I just plug in the slope and one of the points. So I could use x1, y1 or x2, y2. It doesn't really matter. I'll just use the first point there though. And so y1 is -2. So in this case y1 is -2, m is -1/2, and x1 is -1. And we simplify the left side, y minus -2 is y plus 2. And we simplify the right side, we get -1/2 times the quantity x plus 1. Multiplying out the right side, we get -1/2 x minus 1/2. So when we add or subtract 2 from both sides, and 2 is equal to -4/2, or 2 is equal to 4/2, we're going to end up with y equals -1/2 x minus 5/2. Okay, I'll go on to problems 36. In 36, we want to find the equation of the line that has a slope m and y-intercept b. When we know a slope and a y-intercept, we're going to use the slope-intercept form of the equation. And so 36 becomes pretty straightforward. We just plug in the slope of -2 and the y-intercept of -1. And so y equals -2x plus -1, which is the same as y equals -2x minus 1. Number 38, we have a slope of -1/2 and a y-intercept of 3/4. And so plugging in, we get y equals -1/2 x plus 3/4. For problem 40, we want to write the equation in slope-intercept form and then find the slope and the y-intercept of the corresponding line. So we start with y minus 2 equals 0. And so to write the equation in slope-intercept form basically means to solve for y, to get y by itself alone on the left side of the equation. And here we can do that just by adding 2 to both sides, and we end up with y is equal to 2. Now y is equal to 2 is a horizontal line because a horizontal line has an equation of y equals some constant. And a horizontal line has a slope of 0. So m is equal to 0 and b is equal to 2. Number 42. So here we have 3x minus 4y plus 8 equals 0. The goal again is to solve for y. So if I added 4y to both sides, I would end up with 3x plus 8 equals 4y. I could also write that as 4y equals 3x plus 8. Then if I divide both sides by 4, that would be the same as dividing each and every term on both sides by 4. So I would get y is equal to 3 over 4 times x plus 8 over 4, which is y equals 3/4 x plus 2. And so here m is equal to 3/4 and b is equal to 2. With 44, we have 5x plus 8y equals -24. We want to get the y by itself, so I subtract 5x and add 24 to both sides. Then divide each term by 8, and 24 divided by 8 is 3. So m is equal to -5/8 and b is equal to 3, m being the slope and b being the y-intercept. We'll continue 46 and 48 in the next video.